What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the one heirloom tomato I grow every single year, no matter what, because I think it is the most delicious tomato of them all. Here on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, growing any tomato is difficult, let alone heirloom tomatoes, because of our extreme pest, disease, humidity, and rainfall. Tomatoes get horrible diseases here, and they don't last long. But I make one exception, and that is for the Brandywine Yellow, which you see both growing here. Now, Brandywine Yellow is notorious for being late maturing, having poor yields, and being extremely disease susceptible, yet I still go through the trouble. And as you can see, this plant is already dead. But I go through all this trouble just to get these handful of tomatoes off of it. And that's all I'm going to get this season off this plant. But it's worth it because this is the best heirloom tomato ever, in my opinion. What these tomatoes lack in production and disease resistance, they make up for in size and flavor. So let's go ahead and pick these 4 monster tomatoes. Isn't that beautiful? These are some of the prettiest tomatoes that you'll ever see, and they're worth every little bit of effort to grow these very temperamental heirlooms. So let's cut into this beautiful tomato right here. And that is what you love to see right there. It is pure meat. There's almost no seeds. This is as solid of a structure of a tomato that you're ever going to see. And that's why I love this tomato so much. And now for the taste, my first bite of Brandywine Yellow for the year. It is just the perfect tomato. It is the perfect balance of sweet and acid, yet it's so smooth and mild. This is truly a tomato that I believe everybody that loves beefsteak tomatoes should be growing, and it's worth every bit of the effort. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.